I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Bid Form as a trigger. Select a form. Next, search for and select the License Manager for WooCommerce as an action. Obtain the consumer key and consumer secret key. Go to the WooCommerce dashboard and navigate to the settings. Locate the License Manager section. Under REST API, click on Add Key. Provide the key details using relevant and meaningful information. Make sure to permit both read and write access. Click on Generate Key. Copy the consumer key and consumer secret key and paste them into the integration site. Authorize the integration. Once the authorization is completed, proceed to the next step. Choose an action. I am selecting Create a License. Select a status. Choose a customer. Choose a product. Choose an order. Map the respective fields. You can add conditional logic as per your requirements. Click Next to continue. Finish and save the changes. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Return to the WooCommerce dashboard and navigate to the License Keys section. Here, you will see that the license has been created successfully. Thanks for watching.